Welcome to another render demo, how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw some lips. So let's get started. So the first step, in the middle of my page, I'm going to draw the middle of the mouth where the two lips come together. So we'll draw from one side and we'll draw a line that slightly bends down, just very, very slightly, and then comes back up just a little. Okay, this doesn't have to be 100% exact and symmetrical, but the next step we're going to do is we're going to go and find our center, okay, and roughly where the center is. And what we want to do is we want to have the top lip's going to be thinner than the lower lip. So what we want to do over here is, if this is where our center is, we want to create a slight bend and peak on either side. So we'll peak here and we'll come up like this over here. Okay, so that'll come down something like that. And then from here, this will come down with a little bit of a bow to it like this. And you can create some shape like that on the edge. And over here, the same thing. This will come down, a little bit of a bow to it, and curve. Okay, the next step. So whatever your thickness is over here, we'll try to have that a little bit thicker down below. Okay? And down here, this is a little bit flatter, about this far here, okay? And then what we'll do is we'll curve this line up, like that. And this one over here will curve up. And what I'm doing is I'm going to curve it up before the edge. Okay, and it's okay if your lip is a little puffy like mine is on the one side, that's quite all right. Okay, something like that. Okay, now the next step, there's going to be a little bit of a bend here because the top lip's going to kind of roll over the lower lip just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is right about where my peak is, okay, where this peak is here, we'll have a little bit of a bend. See this bend here? It's like slump. We'll do something similar, but it's just going to go over the line just a little bit. Just like that. And it's going to come up like that. And on this side here, this will come up and come back down. So it's a really, really subtle curve that just goes slightly over the center of the lips. Okay, the next step is adding in some of the lip detail lines. So what I'm going to do is every line on the left will have a slight bow to it in this direction, like that. And then on the left side, they'll bow in this direction. And we'll do the same for the rest of these and the lower lip as well. Okay, so we have our basic outline of the lips and we started adding some details. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in some more shading and we'll see you in a bit. So there we go. We drew some lips. We added, a little bit of detail shading to it. I mean, we can go here for, a long time to really get this defined. and looking amazing, but just for this tutorial I wanted to get to this stage and give you the kind of like the basics of drawing lips. So hopefully you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. That way you can see new tutorials coming up, and we will see you all next time. Bye bye.